The largest challenges that are presented have to do with the relational dynamics of those who receive the inheritance, whether it's the executor and their fellow brothers and sisters, or even if it's just a single executor. And so dealing with people who are grieving, they're grieving a loss, they have just lost a parent, they've just lost a loved one, and walking them through that grief while helping them to settle the estate portion regarding the real estate and directing them to the correct professionals so that they can get the wise counsel from an attorney like yourself. That's crucial and can be the most challenging piece.
Okay. So right out of the gate, that's very different from, I'm Kirsten, I own a house, I want to sell it. I don't have to interact with anybody else except you, but I get to make all the decisions. There's no back and forth. There's no hand wringing. That's not necessarily true after someone has died. So let's talk about that a little bit.
Yeah. So when someone passes and you have it in a trust, then there's an executor of that trust or multiple executors of that trust. And so they're oftentimes family members and they're oftentimes children of the person who has passed. So those people may be in a good, healthy relationship one with another, or they may not be in a good, healthy relationship one with another. But it all comes to the surface when their parent or the trust administrator passes. And so those relationship dynamics come right to the forefront. And those people are often dealing with grief at the same time.
Yeah. And I mean, obviously, when we have multiple trustees or multiple executors, like the parents said in their documents, we name all three of our children to work together as trustees. That creates a dynamic issue. And we as planners try to advocate against that because we've seen it play out badly. But even if you have only one, you have one executor, you have one person with all of the legal authority to do what needs to be done. And still, if they've got siblings who are, on their case, telling them things, arguing with them, it affects that person's ability to get the work done.